National Weather Service in Dodge City has issued a tornado.
This is how the public alert NOAA-certified Sangean CL-100 alerts you to hazardous weather conditions or civil emergencies. It receives all 7 NOAA weather channels. In case of an emergency, it flashes a warning light, gives an acoustic signal, and switches to the relevant voice broadcast. The CL-100 employs a specific area message encoding technology, so users can select alerts for areas relevant to them and ignore others. People with special needs can connect the CL-100 to an external alarm device or system. In remote areas, an external FM weather antenna improves reception.
Tornado is in a basement.
The Sangean CL-100 receives FM broadcasts with RBDS signals and AM. You can store 5 FM and AM stations each to memory. It offers a number of timer options, including a dual alarm and a sleep timer. The Sangean CL-100, a versatile weather hazard alert radio. Find out more on our website.